Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial of TechQuest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the steps on how to activate follower option on your Facebook. So I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end. Follow the instruction as guided. Before getting started, make sure to update your Facebook application to the latest version. And without any further delay, let's get started. So then logged into your Facebook account. Once you're logged into your account, in the top right corner, you'll be able to see your try bar icon. Click on it. Click on settings and privacy. And once again, you'll need to click on settings. As you click on settings, you'll be directed to settings and privacy. And right in between, there is an option as audience and visibility. And under it, in the third step, there is an option as how people find and contact you. Just click on it. You'll need to select who can send you a friend request. You can see there are two different alternatives, so select it accordingly. Now, before you enable the follower option on your Facebook, first thing you'll have to manage this process. Head back to your home screen once again. And then do the same procedure. Click on the menu bar and then click on settings, and once again you need to click on settings and privacy. Once again, you redirect to the page that is audience and visibility, and under it you'll be able to see an option as followers and public content. And on the last interface there is a statement, so make sure to go through all of these statements. And you also need to select the category, and once you've done that, you've successfully enabled or activated followers option on your Facebook. That is how you can do it. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.